Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Okay, hi Madam Bilkis. Madam Bilkis boleh dengar ke? Okay,
Okey,
so for
boleh.
this video, we will focus on chapter Finance. Okay, the content for this chapter. Okay, alright. So let's look at, as you can see here, we use AOS, add out scenario, which are the way for you to interpret the situation in the problem. Okay, that will be our purpose. Okay, let's Mira Bilkis, sekejap nah. Boleh nampak tak kalau ni full screen tak, Kis?
Kejap. Okey, full screen.
Okay, so kita tengok what do we have for our chapter 5. Alright, Mathematics of Finance. Alright, in this chapter you will have simple, discount, and compound. Okay, ada 3 bahagian penting yang you kena fokus. Right, so we look at for the simple, you have simple interest, which is our I, simple amount, which is our S. Okay, don't be confused with the word interest. Okay, in the lecture video, we learn about the difference between simple interest and simple interest rate. Okay, so as you can see here, we have discount and compound. Okay, let's focus on our simple interest first. Okay, so our formula for simple interest is I equal to PRT. So simple interest is I. Okay, and it's your days. Okay, number of days for you to find your T. Okay, it's depend on these words. Okay, as a leap or ordinary. Okay, or if it is ordinary, in equation, you will be given the number of days. Okay, you akan diberi bilangan hari. So, apa yang you akan buat untuk you dapatkan T in years. Okay, our T adalah in years. So, in order for us to get our years, you need to divide by the number of days there. Either it is 365, 366, and 360. Okay, next, we look at our simple amount. Okay, simple amount is the total of our principal and interest. Simple interest, P plus I. Okay, and you can use the formula before, okay, to substitute your I, which is PRT, so you will get this formula. Okay, now let's move to our discount. You have simple discount or discount. Okay, the word discount here adalah denotated dia dengan capital D. D is equal to SDT. And then proceed. Okay, proceed. Apa itu proceed? Kita akan tengok sekejap lagi dekat kita punya slide. Proceed is equal to your total amount. Okay, S minus with discount. Okay, S. And ini sama sajalah macam tadi. Kita just guna formula we have, okay, to simplify our formula. And you have equivalent R to D. Okay, don't afraid with this formula because it's just okay, tajuk dia saja yang panjang tu. Equivalent R to D, the relation between R and D. R adalah simple interest rate. Okay, kita punya interest rate. D adalah kita punya simple discount rate. Okay, kita punya discount rate. So this is the formula. Okay, our last part, actually the biggest part for this chapter adalah kita punya compound amount. Okay. In order for us to help you, untuk awak faham, dari segi compound dia ada 2 jenis. Sama ada dia without R, tak ada R. Okay, what is R? R adalah periodic payment. Okay, later kita akan go through. Okay, without R dengan with R. Okay, dia akan ada difference dekat situ. So, kita tengok tanpa R dulu. Okay, maksudnya dia tak ada pembayaran berkala. Dia bayar sekali sahaja, which is our principal there. Okay, P itu bermakna principal, bayaran pada awal. Okay, so our formula is S equal to P bracket multiply with 1 plus I to the power of N. Okay, kalau you nak cari interest adalah you ambil total money, all the money you have, your S minus with your principal. Okay, Interest lah. Kita belajar kan, interest adalah apa yang you gain ataupun apa yang you charge, being charged. And we have effective rate. Okay. So you have to remember for that one. And jangan lupa untuk ingat what is N and what is I. Because N and I selalunya tak akan diberi dalam soalan. Okay. Usually will not be given. Okay. You need to find N adalah years multiply with M. T multiply with M. I adalah J divide M. And okay. Our last part adalah annuity yang ada R. You have periodic payment, bayaran secara berkala. Okay. So, in annuity with R kita ada dua. Future value. Okay, future value ni saya boleh katakanlah nak mudah faham dia adalah dari segi saving. Duit yang you simpan daripada sekarang untuk dapatkan nilai tu nanti. Okay, saving. Okay, so kalau dia adalah dalam bentuk saving, future value, nilai akan datang. Ini adalah formula kita. Alright. S equal to R multiply with 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. And some, okay, untuk kita cari interest dia tak sama dah macam tadi. Okay. Kalau macam tadi, you punya interest adalah S tolak dengan P. Sekarang ni kita tak ada P, kita ada R. So, kalau kita nak cari interest adalah S, jumlah di akhir, tolak dengan nilai periodic payment awak, bayaran bulanan awak ataupun simpanan bulanan awak, you darab dengan berapa kali pembayaran awak. Okay. R multiply with N. Itu maksud dia. Okay. Last part for this chapter adalah present value. Okay. Present value adalah nilai sekarang. Nilai sekarang tu sebenarnya adalah you punya A. A itu adalah nilai yang you nak pinjam duit sekarang. Dengan kata lain, dengan kata mudah lah, Madam boleh kata dia adalah loan, sebuah pinjaman. Okay. You nak pinjam duit, you nak beli kereta, you nak pinjam sekarang, you akan pinjam dengan bank, bank akan bagi duit you supaya you boleh beli kereta, tapi you kena bayar bank. Okay. So, kat sini adalah pembayaran awak secara berkala setiap bulan. Okay. So, this is the formula. And untuk cari interest, untuk case present value, you akan ambil you punya bayaran bulanan multiply with you punya bilangan kali tolak A. Boleh Madam Bilkis? Betul tak?
Betul.
Okey, Madam Bilkis nak menyelip boleh nak? Okey, so sekarang kita pergi kepada bahagian simple. Okey, dalam simple, you have to know apa elemen yang ada dan apa notation kita dan kita punya unit. Okay, first kita tengok simple interest which is our I. Capital I. Okay, capital I. I equal to PRT, capital I. Jangan tertukar dengan ni. Ramai Ramai pelajar tertukar ni. Dia nampak perkataan interest semua dia ingat percentage. Bukan bila ada interest rate. Interest rate baru you punya simbol unit you adalah percentage. Interest rate kita adalah small r. So what is simple interest is capital I. It is in RM. Okay. Dan kita pun ada another RM which is our simple amount. Simple amount adalah S. Jumlah duit. Ataupun jumlah hutang. Okay. And kita ada lagi RM which is our principal amount ataupun original amount which is our P pun dalam RM. So RM kat sini apa dia? Kita ada I, kita ada P, kita ada S. Semua dalam RM. Okay, so percentage kita punya R. Okay, so kita tengok ini formula yang kita dah tengok tadi. I equal to PRT. Okay, nak cari P, nak cari S. This is just the same formula. You boleh tukar-tukar substitutes. Right? And last one is our time. Okay, time T. T kita mesti dalam tahun. Okay, the same formula. You can just find your T. Okay, tips. It is compulsory. The value must come with its own unit correctly. Okay. That is simple. So now let's do some AYOS. Add out the scenario from the question. Okay. So we have, Madam Bilkis, can you be Atikah here?
Okay, can.
Let's invite Madam Bilkis
Okay.
to make dialogue with me here.
Okay. So we start with the mathematica. So I plan to get married in 5 years. So I would like to invest starting with 5,000 ringgit.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Miss Ekra, are you okay?
It's okay.
Dengar
You
tak?
guys pun boleh baca kat situ. Saya akan sambung sebagai bank officer. Okay,
Hmm.
sure. We will offer you 10% simple interest rate. Okay, nampak? Kat situ Atikah dia nak buat saving 5,000 untuk 5 tahun. Baru dengar. Okay, should we repeat, Kes?
Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm going to be Atika. Okay, class. So I plan to get married in 5 years. So I would like to invest starting with 5,000 ringgit. Okay.
Okay, alright. Okay, tak apa internet kat Kes lah?
Maybe. Dengar tak?
Tak. Kes, you want to come here? Okay, so ini dialog lah. Ya.
Internet lagging ya?
Dia sekejap ada, sekejap tak ada.
Hmm. Nak saya tukar tak?
Sekejap Okay, you guys boleh baca dulu.
Sekejap.
Boleh Kes? Sekejap baca dulu. Fahamkan situasi soalan. Boleh Kes? Boleh Kes?
Okay, hello Puan Syakira.
No, not hearing. Okay, ini adalah contoh situasi untuk case simple saving. Okay, alright, sekejap technical problem. Alright. Okay. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will make you understand what is the contoh situation untuk simple. Okay. So here you tengok dekat you punya screen screen dialog. Okay, should we start with the Bilqis? Suara boleh masuk sini kot dah. Kan?
Jelas kot.
Betul. Okay, Madam Bilqis will be Atikah and I will be the bank officer.
Okay. So here I plan to get married in 5 years. So I would like to invest starting with 5,000 ringgit.
So there, your P. What is 5,000? 5,000 adalah you punya P.
P.
Dan T adalah you punya 5. 5 years. Okay, bank. Boleh tak contoh? Boleh nampak kat sini ya. Okay, this is you punya. Alright, 5,000 adalah you punya P. Okay, 5 years adalah you punya T. Okay, macam tu juga bila you baca soalan. Okay, me as a bank. Sure, we will offer straight. So you see the word rate there. Okay, simple. So ini adalah under simple. 5.1. So tak payah nak tengok discount and compound tadi. Tak perlu. So simple. Jadi dia adalah R. Okay, dialog 3.
Okay. Oh yeah, in that case, how much will be my simple interest and simple amount that I will get?
Okay, we'll go to our dialog 4. Okay, like this. Here are your values. Your P is 5,000, T is 5, R is 0.1. So here your simple interest that you will gain. Kenapa dia guna perkataan gain kat sini? Sebab adalah interest yang you akan perolehi adalah I equal to PRT. If you calculate, you will get 2,500. Okay, next one adalah you punya simple amount. Simple amount adalah you punya S. So, in order for you to find your total money is take your P plus your I. Okay, in 5 years, you will get 7,500. Okay, continue with our dialog 5.
Oh, so 7,500 ringgit will be not enough. What if I want to further my saving for 7 years?
Okay, see. Dialog 6. So, to further your saving for 7 years, your simple interest will be more. Okay, which is 3,500. And your simple amount, your S for after 7 is 8,500. That means when you save for longer time, you will get more interest and more saving. Okay. Kenapa dia under simple? Sebab kita ada jumpa perkataan simple tadi. Okay. Dan yang lain calculation seperti formula. Okay, next. Kita akan tengok simple loan. Sebab simple dia ada dua. Okay, so now I will be Irfan. And want to settle the debt in 5 years. Okay guys, this is not good example Nak kahwin tapi buat hutang. No. Okay. Okay, bank.
Okay, yes, how can I help you, sir? Sure, we will offer you 10% simple interest rate.
Okay, so here, this is you punya S, this is you punya T, this is you punya R. Nampak perkataan simple rate kat situ. So, ini adalah under simple. Tetapi dia adalah loan. Sebab apa? I would like to borrow. Okay. Next, dialog 3. Oh yeah, in that case, how much will be my simple interest and simple amount that I need to pay back to the bank? Berapa? Berapa nilai yang saya kena bayar? Interest and S. Berapa? Okay.
Okay, like this. Here are your values. So we have P equals to 5,000 ringgit. Okay, and then your T will be 5 years and the interest rate is 0.1. So the simple interest rate, the interest that you will be charged is I equals to PRT, which is equals to 2,500 ringgit. And then for your simple amount, which is your total debt for 5 years, S equals to P plus I, which is equal to 7,500 ringgit. So that will be your amount. Okay,
Oh,
sir?
okay, that will be too much to pay. Tengok tu, nak kahwin, nak pinjam banyak pula nak bayar. Nah. What if I want to shorten my debt for 3 years? Okay, tadi 5 tahun kan, sekarang ni nak kurangkan tempoh hutang dia. Okay, next, dialogue 6.
Okay, so for shorten your debt for 3 years, what we need to do? Your simple interest that you will be charged is I equals to PRT, where your T here is 3 hours compared to the first
3
solution,
years.
where your first solution, your T is 5 years, right?
Okay.
So when I equals to PRT, then you times with all the values and you will get 1,500 ringgit. So that will be your simple interest for 3 years. And then for simple amount, which is your total debt for 7 years, S equals to P plus I is 6,500 ringgit. So that means if you shorten your time of debt, your simple interest will be much smaller. So it is good for you to shorten your debt.
Okay, so nampak perbezaan antara contoh Atikah tadi dengan Irfan. Atikah tadi simpan, jadi dia terima interest. Tapi sekarang dia buat loan kan. So you kena bayar extra 1,500. You nak guna 5,000 je. Tapi you kena bayar bank 6,500. So rugi so simpan duit dari sekarang. Okay, next. Bank discount. Alright. Tak payah besar lah, kita maintain in this position lah. Kita malas nak layan dah kalau ada technical problem. Okay, bank discount. So let's look at with me. Okay, you will have simple discount, capital D. You have proceed, you have discount rate D, and you have equivalent R to D. Okay, what is the formula of our D? D is equal to SDT. Okay, how you can, that is our formula number 1. Okay, next, you have another formula. D is equal to S minus proceed. Okay, do you know what is D? Do you know what is proceed? Sebelum you nak faham formula ni, you kena tahu dulu apa itu capital discount, apa itu proceed. Okay, jadi kita tengok dulu dialog dekat bawah. Okay, let's look at this. What is S? Apa S? Okay, let's do the dialog, Madam Mikis. Okay, I would like to borrow 5,000 for 2 years. Okay, for 2 years. So, aku masuk kat sini. This is you punya S. Okay, S ni yang confuse dia bukan saving saja, dia adalah jumlah duit yang you pinjam tu adalah kita punya S juga. Okay, this is you punya T. Okay, bank?
Okay, so our bank offered the discount rate. After discount, we will give you 4,500 ringgit.
Okay, kenapa dia under discount? Sebab dia ada perkataan discount. Tadi kenapa simple? Sebab dia ada perkataan simple. Okay, itu hint words yang you kena cari. Saya nak pinjam 5,000. Kenapa bagi saya 4,500? Mana lagi 500 hilang? Mana lagi? So 500 tu adalah kita punya. Look at here. Mana 500? Discount. Okay, discount is 500. Discount adalah apa yang bank dah kaut. Dia dah kaut siap-siap dah. Okay, dia dah kaut dah. Okay, 500 tu. So discount tu bukan you yang dapat discount bukan bank dapat. Bank dapat duit tu. So what is proceed? Proceed adalah nilai yang kamu terima. Kamu dapat 5,000 tapi kamu hanya dapat 4,500 only. So your S is 5,000, discount rate is 0.45%. Ini sepatutnya dia kena adalah kat sini. Kan? Tertypo lah, tertinggal. Okay. So baru kita boleh tengok formula. What is simple discount kita tadi? D, formula number 1. D is equal to SDT adalah the value that money will charge you, get from you. Okay. Ataupun D, you boleh cari daripada jumlah loan yang you nak buat, tolak dengan jumlah duit yang you dapat, which is your proceed. Okay, understand that one first. Next, we look at proceed. Sama saja. Kalau you nak tahu proceed, nilai yang duit yang you dapat adalah jumlah duit tolak dengan discount yang bank charge awak ataupun bank ambil. Okay? Okay? S minus D. Okay? This one adalah just formula yang sama. You just substitute. Okay. Right. Our discount rate D is equal to SDT. Okay, D over SDT. Sorry. Yang lain tu just tukar je formula. Okay, D equal to S minus proceed divide by ST. Okay, next adalah equivalent R to D. It's just a formula. Okay, just use either one, mana yang ada maklumat dalam soalan. Okay, and unit. Okay, unit jangan lupa kita ada dua jenis RM, kita ada tiga. Kan? Kita ada tiga which is S. Betul tak? Semua ni adalah RM. Right? These three. Sebab semua adalah duit. Dia bukan berkaitan dengan rate. So rate awak kat mana? Kat sini. Small d here. Percentage. Okay? Equivalent R adalah you punya rate juga. Okay? So kita tengok. R lah sini lah. Okay. Alright. So kita tengok kat bawah ni. Yes? Any more? Okay, bank discount. Okay, bank discount adalah apa yang bank dapat value tu. Okay, bukan awak yang dapat discount. Tak, bank discount you ingat apa yang bank charge awak, bank dapat. Okay, S adalah what you need to pay to bank. Adalah you punya total loan. Okay, total loan awak. So, dia adalah RM5,000. Bukan RM5,000 yang you dapat, you akan dapat kurang. Kenapa? Kita ada bank discount. And proceed adalah the only money that you get. Okay, again, ini bukan discount sale bukan. Ini discount bank. Discount bank bukan untung, rugi. Okay, sebab you buat loan. Okay, next, I will invite Madam Bilkis lah untuk explain for this one. You want to sit here? Okay, untuk Madam Bilkis lebih. Saya present kat sini. Tapi dengar kat sini. Pakai je, ikut jelas sikit. Dialog sini. Boleh? Streaming tapi digital. Nampak tak? Okay, so ini okay, saya cuba ada dekat ni lah. Okay, so semua boleh nampak kat sini kan apa yang saya nak sentuh sikit kat sini. Nak sentuh sikit. Okay, apa yang nak sentuh kat sini? Okay, memandangkan chapter 5 tak masuk exam. For sure lah tak masuk exam, cuma ada dalam tugasan individu dan UPS 2. UPS 2 kan. So, mostly student salah apa tau? Mostly apa yang student salah? Okay, apa yang student salah? Proceed. Student tulis apa? Tulis P. Salah. Nah, kamu kena highlight. Proceed is proceed. Proceed bukan P. P, kita hanya tulis P untuk principle sahaja. Proceed bukan P. So make sure you know that things. Okay, jangan tulis proceed as P. P kita hanya principle. And then discount rate. Okay, so D must be in percentage. And then equivalent R to D. Kenapa kita perlu belajar equivalent R to D? Sebabnya ada bank dia akan offer bank discount. Ada bank dia akan offer interest rate. Offer interest rate. How you would like to compare between these two banks? Kamu nak compare macam mana? So bila kita nak compare, we need one element, same element to compare. That's why we learn equivalent R to D. Once kita ada D, okay, then kita kena cari equivalent R to D. Bila kita cari equivalent R to D, then baru kita boleh compare dengan bank yang offer simple interest. That's why we learn these things. You need to know. Dalam tutorial 3 kan Pak Syakira? Tutorial 3, tutorial 2. Tutorial 2. Tutorial 2 ada benda ni, equivalent R to D. Okay, so you need to know. So here we have typo lah R nah. Okay, so kena tahulah. Okay, tak masuk exam. Benda tak masuk exam tapi kena faham. Okay, UPS 2 dengan tugasan individu kan. Okay, so proceed, jangan buat P. Equivalent R to D. Kenapa belajar equivalent R to D? Sebabnya in real life, in real situation, we need to compare. We need to choose the best.
So this is what we need to do lah, equivalent R to T. Okay, so now let's proceed with the next slide where we have compound amount. Okay, here we have compound amount without R and annuity with R. So, untuk soalan yang macam ni, apa benda yang kita kena aim? First thing first, you need to know your R. Okay. Yang tak ada R, without R, so that is compound amount. Yang ada R, annuity. Faham betul-betul. Tak ada R, apa itu R? Apa itu R? Okay, ada kat sini R. R tak ada. R kita ialah periodic payment, which is bayaran secara berkala. Okay, untuk compound amount without R, which is without R, apa formula yang kita ada? Okay, the first formula is Sn. Okay, this is Sn. Sn equals to P1 plus I to the power of N. So please remember your, what is N? N is T times M. Okay, so you need to remember. In exam you need to remember, but you need to remember lah. Tapi chapter ni tak masuk exam kan, tapi masuk UPS. Again, you need to remember lah. N equals to T times M. So Sn equals to P1 plus I to the power of N. So here I is your what? Small letter I is for interest rate. Interest rate. Percentage. Okay, must be in percentage. Okay. And then you have the second formula is effective rate. RE equals 1 plus I to the power of M minus 1. And then I equals to this one. I equals to S minus P, which is amount minus principal. Okay. Your amount minus principal. Okay, so fill in the unit for each of the following. So please remember your interest will be RM. RM. Okay. Okay, so RE will be percentage. Okay, so this is the effective rate. And then your P will be principal, RM. Your SN. Your SN will be RM. Okay. Alright. So now let's go with annuity with R. Okay, annuity with R. You need to remember in annuity we have future value. So this is future SN and AN is for present. So this is present value and this is future value. Kenapa nama dia berbeza? Okay. So future value. Apa yang dimaksudkan dengan future value ialah di mana kita dapat amount in the future. Okay, in the future value. Most situation is about saving and investment. Okay, saving and investment. Okay, most of the situation saving atau investment. Untuk present value, most of the situation is about loan. Okay, when we are talking about loan, that means we need the money now because we need to pay or to buy something in the lump sum, in a big amount. So when we talk about loan, so we want that money now. When we talk about saving and investment, that means we want to know how much the money that we will get in the future. So this is SN future value. This is present value. Okay. And then what else that we have here? We have I equals to S minus RN. It means that your periodic payment times with how many times that you pay or you do the payment. Okay, how many times? Okay, how many times? And then this is for future and this is for present. Okay, because the A here. So I equals to Rn minus A. Okay, please analyzing the formula so that you understand what you do and what you are calculated. Okay, please analyzing. So here for An is Rm. Okay, yes. So for this formula is about what you gain. Okay, this is your gain Okay, and this is what you have been charged, what you need to pay to the bank. Okay, this is what you will get from your bank. And then please note that, okay, for both, the similarities is here. Okay, I equals to J over M, and your N is equals to T times M. Alright, so now then your amount of annuity.
Nama dia ada tu kan, the name.
Apa?
Serta soalan tu dia akan guna perkataan value at the end of term. Kita kena tahu dia.
Okay, so okay, the highlight here, okay, the hint or the clue to make sure or to ensure that your question is future or present value. What are the clue? So the clue is here. Amount of annuity as future value. Dia akan ada apa? Kat soalan tu mesti dia akan cakap find the value at the end of term. Find the value at the end of term. Or find the sum that the I need to get at the end. Okay, so the word something like that. So you know it is about future value. Okay, how about present value? So for present value here, the hint or the clue will be amount invest or calculated now. The word now. Amount need to be settled. The what? The debt. Okay, debt. This is debt. Okay. So settle the debt.
Sebab dia kena now.
Now. Okay. The clue or the hint, the important hint is now. Okay, when you see the word now, how much that the man need to invest now, so we need to use present. And then again, about loan, amount to settle the debt or loan, so it will be present value. So you need to know the clue or the hint so that you will use the correct formula, whether future value or present value. So you need to do a lot of exercises so that you can make the differentiation between future and present. Okay, class? Next. Okay, let's do the situation for compound amount without R. Okay, so here we have Haris and bank officer. So I will be Haris and Puan Shakira will be the bank officer.
Ya Allah ya Tuhanku, nak habis dah slide.
Habis dah. Last lah.
Alah. Kak Ati tak ada mute pun.
Tahu sebab apa? Cabut ni. Bubuh ni tadi. Bubuh ni tadi bila kita cabut pula dia mute. Dia lupa dengan abang tadi.
Betul kita nak sambung apa ni?
Tak cara kelas.
Ya betul. Oh shit, we start now. Tak dengar. Tak dengar Mr. Oh, tak dengar kami dah explain sampai habis slide dah. Okay, so you guys boleh tengok sendiri lah slide tu. Okay, tengok perbezaan contoh dan sebagainya. Tengoklah kok ada plan ke, tengok nanti. Sekarang kita ada kelas. Okay, so we stop here. Habis dah ni. Okay, ni this is our last slide. Tak dengar Okay, tak apa. Rasanya tak dengar semua ni. Tak dengar daripada compound. Betul lah. Kita cabut tadi. Okay, technical biasalah. Okay, line kita pun tak berapa kuat. Okay, so awak boleh tengok lah apa yang kami conteng tu. Okay, right. Dan fahamkan apa perbezaan contoh setiap situasi. Okay, that's all from our, Okay, so jangan bagi kami punya effort bercakap rupanya tak ada orang dengar ni adalah satu perkara yang sia-sia. Okay, remember this chapter you will bring to your university life. Okay, you akan ada benda ni sebab apa? You guys adalah accounting students. Okay, so thank you Madam Bilkis.
Thank you class. Pandai-pandailah buat dialog sendiri
Pandai-pandailah, dah ada dah maklumat dah ada kat situ. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye. Ada lain kali pun.